Hello, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Nur Khalid. I'm a lecturer in a private university in Universitas Muhammadiyah Surakarta, especially in Mathematics Education Department. Here, I would like to share you regarding my research paper entitled Reflective Thinking in Parabola Problem Solving. Introduction include state of the art and then research roadmap, and the last one should be urgency and research question. I and my team conduct a review literature, the all research, so many research regarding reflective thinking, and then we categorize all research, all paper that we find into three categories. The first one is research regarding the role of reflective thinking. The research conclude that problem solving can minimize problem solver weakness and then encouraging problem solvers to reevaluate. The second research regarding reflective thinking instrument, the first one research develop reflective thinking skill, and then questionnaire, rubric for evaluating reflective thinking, and then mathematical problems, and the last one reflective thinking observation guideline table. And the last category is reflective thinking dimension. It should be aspect of reflective thinking, and then level of reflective thinking, and the last one categorizing of reflective thinking. From this point of view, from this categories, uh, we have so many opportunity to conduct research regarding reflective thinking. I think I mean I have three focus on reflective thinking that maybe I or maybe you can conduct research on reflective thinking. It should be reflective thinking for problem solving, and then reflective thinking pattern changes and characteristic. And the last one is development of infused learning model for defragmenting pupils' reflective thinking. But in this paper, I would like to focus on reflective thinking for problem solving. In the last few years, I and my team have been conducting research regarding reflective thinking. The first one in 2019, I and my team conducted reflective thinking indicators. I mean, we found the indicators, and then in 2020, we conducted research regarding characteristic and pattern changes in reflective thinking. And then last year, we concluded the level of reflective thinking. And in this paper, in this year, we focus on reflective thinking for problem solving. And maybe in the next year, in 2023, we focus on defragmenting of reflective thinking, especially in development of learning model. Here, the urgency of research regarding reflective thinking. Uh, Research in reflective thinking always regarding on education or social, I mean character education and competitive. That's why research on reflective thinking can be systematically conduct for researchers. And this paper focus on how our student reflective thinking for parabola problem solving. And then the future research may be focused on development of learning model to diffract student reflective thinking. Here we employ a qualitative descriptive design with 35 students as participants. And then we also employ instrument like parabola problems, and then observation sheet, and then interview guideline. And the parabola problem should be determine a parabola equation that values 3, 8 and big 3, 5. And then the step for analysis data is reduction, and then presentation, and the last one conclusion. Here, the sample of subject answer sheet that participant P1 capable to transform parabola problem to a sketch. He understands that parabola opens up It indicates that he has consideration to decide which parabola x is. Next, he remembers also that general parabola equation should be here, should be like this. Then he finds value of p equals to 3 and substitute big T 5 into a equation. His reflective thinking detected on drawing a sketch to help for problem solving. And besides, he also connect the concept of value p in a parabola. After calculation, he finds that equation should be like this and his answer sheet presented in this figure. Reflective thinking is a crucial component for problem solving. It helps students to improve their ability in mathematical problem solving, especially. And reflective thinking can be detected by student confusion. First, maybe student able to transform mathematical problem into a sketch. Maybe it relevant with research that sketching helps student for problem solving. Meanwhile, some students maybe experience confusion in transforming mathematical problem solving into a sketch. Next one, student able to connect value of p and substitute into a parabola equation. Student who able connect between mathematical concept have high problem solving ability, and maybe they will always success in mathematical problem solving. It means their achievement is excellent. The conclusion, reflective thinking occurs in parabola problem solving. It detected when participants drawing a sketch to help problem solving and connect concept. Maybe the future research focus on development of infused learning model to diffract student reflective thinking. Thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.